I'm feeling trapped within myself, within my heart and within my own head. I'm feeling surrounded with the sense of hurt, the sense of loss and the feeling of dread. I'm waiting for your letter, the one that I cry as I read, the one that says I'll always love you, but just something that I don't need. And it's filling me with misery, and I still feel nothing but love, love for you, but not for me. That part of my heart is empty, there's nothing there, it's null and void. I worked so hard to get you to love me, yet here I am left unemployed. I don't feel bitter, I just feel let down. I've never been a quitter, I'm a lover, not a leaver. But now I'm leaving town, 'cause I just can't bear to be around. In you I am your greatest believer, in me I'm my own greatest deceiver. As everyone told me, it was a fairy tale world. From inside this house of shattered glass, I stood up to every stone they hurled. We both know it hurts, watching your blood make mud as it mixes with the dirt that they also threw at you. But I knew what it was that I had to do. Still, through all of this, I only know of one truth: I will never stop loving you. But what's even worse is that you know it too.